Hi everyone, welcome to ForTheGeeks. In this video I will show you what you can do if you don't see a Shorts tab option on your Android tablet. So if you open up the YouTube app, click on the plus icon, and if you don't see the shorts but you see the videos and other options, I will show you what you can do to fix that. I'm using a simulator here, Pixel tablet simulator, but I had the same issue with my physical Samsung A9 tablet device too. So first thing what you can do is you can try updating the YouTube app. If you have already done that, then you can see if there any location or account restriction. To rule out location account restrictions, you can try on any mobile device, and if it works on mobile device, then that means it has nothing to do with your account restriction or location restriction. Now that you have ruled out outdated app, region restrictions, location restrictions and all, here is what you can do next, which I will demonstrate in the remaining part of the video. Let me show you the issue first. So I open up the YouTube app, I click on the plus icon. You can see that there is video, live and post option, but no short option here. That's the problem we are trying to solve. So what I do is I go back to home screen, go to settings. In here down below you will see this about emulated device. Click on that and then click on build number 7 times. So when you click on build number 7 times, you will become a developer. You will get to see the developer options. Go back once again into the settings tab, into the system, and if you scroll down below you will see these developer options now, because you clicked 7 times on the build number. So you can search here, but if you scroll down you will see this smallest width option. It is 800 dp by default. So in order to show the Shorts tab option, you have to reduce the width, because tablets are normally wider, the mobile phones are not that wide. So you can try reducing it. Like I tried with 650 dp, but I think 580 is what worked for me. Once you do that, force stop the YouTube app, otherwise it's cached, and then reopen it again. And now when you click on plus, you will see the short option there. So that's how you fix the issue on tablets, basically reducing the smallest width option there. That's it for this video. Yeah guys, hope you guys liked this video and found it informative. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.